If you're doing HVAC work, you know a standard analog gauge just doesn't cut it for moisture removal. You need absolute precision to know when a system is tight and dry. That's why I bought the top 5 Micron vacuum gauges on the market and hooked them up to my pump to see which ones are accurate and which ones are just expensive paperweights. Product number 1, CPS VG200. I started with the CPS VG200. Holding this, it feels like an old-school, reliable tool. It's not flashy, but it feels solid. The 2-button setup is super simple. I didn't even need to look at the manual to get it running. What I really appreciated during testing was the cleanable sensor. We all know oil mist gets everywhere during evacuation, and being able to clean this sensor to keep it accurate is a huge benefit. It handled the pressure test perfectly, and the 5-digit display was easy to read even in bright sunlight. It comes with a nice padded case and a brass T-fitting, so you aren't leaving it on the dirty ground. If you want a no-nonsense, professional-grade tool that just works, this is the industry standard for a reason. Product number 2, WISCOL Digital Vacuum Gauge. Moving on to the WISCOL gauge. This one has a much more modern feel with that blue casing. The first thing I noticed was the large backlit screen. It made a huge difference when I was working in a dimly lit basement where I couldn't see my manifold clearly. It uses a Pirani sensor, which is usually found in high-end lab equipment, and honestly, the readings were very responsive. My favorite feature has to be the alarm. I set a target pressure, and the thing actually flashed and beeped at me when it got there. I could walk away and work on the line set without staring at the screen. It feels a bit more techy than the CPS. If you work in dark attics and need that visual alert, this is a solid pickup. Product number 3, Hilmer CVG1200. Then I grabbed the Hilmer CVG1200. This thing is compact. It fits right in the palm of my hand, and the rubberized molding makes it feel like it can take a beating. I accidentally dropped it once during the shoot, don't tell anyone, and it worked perfectly fine afterwards, so the durability claims hold up. The hook on the back is really sturdy too. Performance-wise, it tracks all the way from 300,000 microns down to 1, so you get the full picture of the evacuation process right from the start. Like the previous one, it has an alarm, but I found the high and low settings really useful for leak testing. If you are rough on your tools and need something that survives the van floor, the Hilmer is the way to go. Product number 4, Green Digital Micron Gauge. I also tested this green model, which is a great budget-friendly option. It feels pretty lightweight, maybe a little plasticky compared to the Hilmer, but the rubber grip helps. What stood out here was the vibration prompt. Sometimes job sites are loud, compressors running, traffic nearby, and you can't hear a beep. Having the unit physically vibrate when it hit the evacuation target was actually really smart. It uses a similar Pirani sensor to the blue one, giving me fast readings that matched up well with the more expensive units. It runs on standard AA batteries, which is convenient if it dies on the job. If you are just starting out in HVAC or doing DIY mini-split installs and want accurate readings without spending a fortune, this green gauge gets the job done. Product number 5, hvac Digital Vacuum Gauge. Finally, I hooked up the hvac gauge. The anti-slip rubber on the sides gives it a nice, secure grip, so I wasn't worried about it sliding off a vibrating condenser unit. I really like the dedicated monitoring mode. You press set, lock in your target, and it beeps periodically to let you know it's tracking. It takes the guesswork out of the dehumidification process. The screen is decent, and the backlight is bright enough for most jobs. It connects with a standard 1/4-inch flare, so it fits right onto your manifold or pump. It's very similar to the others, but the support seems responsive, which is a nice safety net. Grab this if you want a reliable backup gauge or a solid primary tool for residential calls. Getting that deep vacuum is the only way to ensure a system lasts, so don't guess with a needle gauge. I've put the links to all 5 of these down in the description so you can check out the current pricing and see which one fits your kit. Thanks for watching and good luck with the install.